take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which characteristic distinguishes a regressive from a proportional tax? Now, if you're taking this quiz on Farhat Lectures, you could always ask the AI to explain the topic, what's regressive, what's proportional, before you answer the question. But I would assume that you would look at the lectures, look at the material before getting to the multiple choice. So the first answer is the total taxes paid decline as income increases. Do the taxes that you pay go down as your income increases? No, not the taxes that you pay. Not the taxes. The amount of taxes might stay the same as income increases, but it does not decline. That will be nice. I mean, you pay less taxes as you make more, therefore the more you make, the more it goes down. No, it doesn't work that way. The marginal tax rate increases as income decreases. This sounds like a proportional. Your tax rate goes up as your income goes up, which has nothing to do with regressive or proportional. The effective tax rate decline as the tax base increases. So the effective tax rate, so the average, how much you pay as a tax rate goes down as your income increases. Did we see this? Yes. This is an example of Social Security. As you make more, your tax rate, your effective tax rate, how much you're effectively paying, goes down as a percentage of your tax base. This distinguishes from proportional. Proportional, you always pay the same amount. Your effective tax rate does not change. But under regressive, it declines. And that's what differentiates regressive from proportional. Let's go back and look at the Social Security. Remember, Social Security is regressive because as you make more, your tax rate goes down. You're still paying more taxes than employee Y and employee X, but as a rate, it's going down. So the answer is C, not D. The tax imposed is only at the federal level. No, it's not. So a regressive tax is defined as the declining effective tax rate. Rate is a percentage as the tax base increases. The classic example is Social Security in the United States. As you make above a certain amount, every year that amount changes, you stop paying. As you stop paying Social Security tax and you earn more, the amount that you paid becomes a lower percentage of your overall income. What should you do now? Whether you are a CPA, EA, tax student, or accounting student, go to Farhat Lectures, look at podcast, AI resources, notes, video simulation, video MCQs. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.